This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Florida Horse Park for opening day of the 2026 Ocala RV Show. Opening day is always one of my favorite days. What was quiet just yesterday is now filled with people walking through brand new RVs and the unmistakable excitement that comes with planning your next adventure. RVs of all classes are here from 7 local dealers, giving you an incredible opportunity to see a wide variety of styles, sizes, and floor plans all in one place. And that's exactly why a multi-dealer RV show is the best place to learn and compare. Instead of driving from dealership to dealership trying to remember what you liked about each one, you can walk a few steps and evaluate models side by side. Whether you're deciding between different floor plans, exploring new design trends, or simply trying to understand what fits your lifestyle, this is the most efficient and enjoyable way to do it. The latest innovations are on display throughout the show. RV manufacturers continue to raise the bar when it comes to comfort, convenience, and smart design. Seeing these features in person makes all the difference. Photos online just can't compare to walking through and experiencing it yourself. There's also a great atmosphere throughout the grounds. The vendor tent is open and full of great RV resorts, lifestyle products, and more. Barbecue, fair food, adult beverages, and icy cold drinks are available. If you've been thinking about an RV, upgrading your current one, or simply staying current with what's new in the industry, this is the place to be. The 2026 Ocala RV Show is being held March 5th through 8th at the Florida Horse Park. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click the show link on the homepage. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.